Welcome to the Mental Wellness and Education Workshop. I am not a licensed therapist, but I am interested in how mental wellness shows up in our educational systems. Trauma-informed pedagogy seeks to understand how experiences of trauma impact the educational process for people, based on any individual and generational trauma they may have. It seeks to incorporate healing or wellness into education. The coronavirus pandemic is a traumatizing event that we are all currently navigating. The purpose of this workshop is to give participants a rudimentary understanding of how this pandemic, as a traumatizing event, affects education, educators and learners, and our learning environments. CUNY serves a diverse community of students. Many are working-class students who may come from underserved communities in New York, immigrant communities, and Black and Brown communities. Thus, the pandemic and recent uprisings against anti-Black racism and policing is an additional source of trauma for people who may already have trauma due to poverty, racism, and their individual experiences of trauma. CUNY students are impacted in a multitude of ways. They are affected by the scarcity around employment, income, healthcare, and housing that are realities of living in New York City. Thus, the purpose of this workshop is to understand these realities by collectively learning with the participants. Despite these realities, wellness is still possible, and by the end of the workshop, you should be able to come up with a wellness plan for yourself. I encourage participants to actively prepare for mental wellness in their courses. Ideally, you can replicate this process with your students. Thanks for watching.